Yeah, that table that's in the basement right now, I stole from the barn next door. Where's my duct tape when I need it?
Or a mount.
That would be nice.
So you need.
You know what?
What an awful time.
So I get wedged in there.
I hate my life.
I hate your life too, man.
Maybe you do. You should duct tape it to the windshield, to the walls.
So I trip down my balls? No, this is a new car. I don't have duct tape in it yet. I don't know. You can just hold it if you want. You can.
Yeah, I'll just hold it.
Whatever you feels right. You can take control. Film whatever you want. This is behind the scenes moment, so no one really. No, not many people are actually going to watch this except for like the true die-hard fans.
I have many true die-hard fans.
This will probably be the second episode in October. Second weekday. What day does October start? Like what weekday, do you know?
No, I couldn't tell you, man. I don't even know what day it is today.
We should probably get a shopping cart. I have a feeling, that we're gonna need a shopping cart. Alright, where to? I think we need to find some cornstarch, maybe? Sounds like a solid plan. We do need these, though, food coloring.
Oh, yeah.
That is a must. Need pumpkins for a later video I got planned.
How are you gonna put a pumpkin in your...
No, it's not for slime. I'm gonna do a video called Headless Horseman Hammer Throw. Candles.
We got light fixtures in the slime.
I feel like maybe there's like wax and candles we could add. Maybe? I don't know. Oh, there's crayons. Maybe we should add crayons.
We'd have to melt it.
That's fine. I have a blowtorch. Get the crayons. Which one?
Just plain old.
$1.39.
Preferred by teachers. That's important.
That's very important. What do we got here? Let's not add super glue. Huh? Is regular? Okay, regular glue.
59 cents.
Clear? Or do we go with white?
I don't know.
There's only one. No, there's two clear. 59 cents is cheaper.
A different consistency.
You're right. Let's go with this glue, I guess. Two should be good. Bloop. What is
This
it?
is what you would add.
A hatchet? Yeah, that'll make it come to life. Clearance. This is where we needed to be the whole time. Actually, that might be a good idea. That will surely be an okay idea. All-purpose awesome sauce. Sauce. What we got here? Flintstones gummies.
I feel like
Nah.
clearance Flintstone gummies?
You might be right about that.
How about sprinkles? Oh, it's red sugar. That
Yeah.
would be neat. It'll give you texture.
Sugar really doesn't go bad either if you want to put it in there. Is there any green ones too so we can get some Halloween colors up in there?
Let's see. What's this?
Honey.
Honey.
Honey never goes bad.
It does, eventually.
They found like 10,000-year-old honey in like Greece or something like that.
They eat it.
Yeah, they ate it. It's pretty good. I don't know. I think we've pretty much rated this clean. Jello, possibly? Jello mix?
It's a mold kit.
Oh.
Let's make Spider-Man slime heads and Iron Man heads slime.
How much is it?
I don't know.
Well, we'll take it just in case, and then we'll pour our slime into it and see if it hardens over time. That's not bad. I think we're good. 3, 2, 1. There we go. We're actually recording now. That helps. Okay. Okay. You know,
We also got some Jello molds just in case we want to make Spider-Man slimes.
I don't think he heard that, so I'm gonna have to do it for him just because I clapped right after he did. 3, 2, 1.
Much better. I've never made slime before. I feel like it's gonna be very gross.
It'll be a learning experience for everybody.
Yeah.
Shoobadoop.
What, is this a script?
And we're writing down what we're putting in as our ingredients.
Oh, we gotta make our own.
Yeah, we're making our own, and then we're gonna use the slime. Well, I guess, hello everybody, welcome to Recording Randomness. Am I even in camera yet?
You're not in the shot.
Take the shot! Oh.
Now
Wait,
you're...
what about my hat?
Ah, fuck. Okay, hold on.
It's in the other room. I can grab it if you
No,
want.
fuck it. We're doing it live.
Do it live!
There we go.
That's just senor.
Beyblade, let it rip!
You know, it is actually Beyblade lore that Moses used the Beyblade to part the Red Sea.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Like, that's not even a joke. There's a still image from that where it just has Moses with Beyblade in front of him.
Jelix, use this for behind the scenes. I need to cut the table legs off at some point. Because we're all too midgy.
You could cut a bit off
I also
and
have-
put it on this chair.
I have poor posture.
There we go, that helps a little bit. You ready?
Guess so.
Let's see how it fares.
This is nice.
That is nice. I think mine's on its way though.
I can make Krabby Patties with this.
Okay.
Pretty patties.
Pretty patties! Okay, let's see if your recipe's recreatable. That'll be the final test.
It reminded me of home.
I gotta make copies of this recipe.
Don't worry, it'll be up on the Jelix Spawn channel. How many spoonfuls of cornstarch? You did 2?
2 spoons.
1 spoon.
That's a pretty big spoon.
I'll do.
Are you saying spoon?
Spoon.
Okay, what's
With an
next? What's next? A
One
packet.
packet of sand from Mars, but you don't have to use the Mars sand. You can use the green or the blue.
Oh, you're talking about the Jello?
No.
Okay.
I'm talking about the Mars sand.
Oh my bad. Let's use the rest of this blue considering it's already open. Wherever it is.
Right there.
That looks like about a packet. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good.
Yeah.
Jelix, get this shit out of the
You
way.
need 2 healthy squirts of suntan lotion.
Okay.
They're not that big of squirts though.
So like, and then
Yeah, that's
Okay, that's
healthy.
good, okay.
That's very healthy.
let's move this out of the way.
1 mouthful of Elmer's glue. Yes, you do have to use your mouth to measure it.
All right.
That's what I
Size
measured. Say about a mouthful.
That's probably good,
That's
right?
probably
Okay, that sounds good.
And then 1/2 mouthful of glitter glue.
What glitter glue do we have left? We
You
have
gotta
a.
use blue. You
I'm,
gotta use blue.
I'm out of blue.
Well, shit.
Well, let's do this and make it purple.
Yeah, that would be cool.
That would be good for the black tan.
Oh, my
Oh.
hands are getting all red. They're gonna
Yeah.
be stained like this because of the food.
How
coloring.
much? Half a tube?
Half mouthful, not a half tube.
What is that? Is that a half mouthful?
Yeah, I'd say that's about a half
Okay.
mouthful.
Okay.
Then you want 3 drops of food coloring of your choice.
Let's do blue. 1. That was 2. And only one of red too. And we'll make this one purple. There we go. What's
And then
next?
You need 3 fat squirts of aloe.
Oh shit, the aloe's on the floor. Hold on. I can reach it.
The flexible foot.
Flex foot. What's his name?
Phil
With Flex-
Swift.
Yeah, with Flexio. How much?
3 fat squirts.
1, 2, 3.
And then you need 1 small dump of vegetable oil.
I grabbed it.
I'll do the small dump because I know small dumps. Trust me.
Yeah, I take big dumps, man. I can't measure it.
There you go.
Okay. Yeah, let's move that out.
I don't want them to see my face.
Okay.
Watch your face.
That's it? That's
Yep.
all?
Stir it up, bub.
We should have doubled the recipe.
Well,
It's too late.
I only wanted a ball of slime.
Dude, take that home.
I'm gonna take it home. I'm gonna show my brother. I'm gonna be like, look, I'm better at making slime than you are. And I didn't follow instructions. I made my own. I'm gonna make my brother watch this too. He watches videos of people making slime on YouTube all the time. And he's gonna watch this one. You must have done something wrong, dude.
I followed your recipe.
No one can truly follow my recipe but me. That would be good fake poop. If we had like brown. Oh, it's sticking to the paper. No! My recipe!
Here, put it on the plate. Yeah.
My recipe. My brand.
Yeah, okay, so yours is not recreatable. That's the only test that you failed.
Because I'm legendary. Nothing.
Nothing you do is recreatable. We never used the crayons, actually.
I know.
It's
I
fine.
didn't have a microwave. Shout out to Michael
Wave.
the inventor of the microwave. Oh, look at that.
Oh, so it's turning finally?
A little bit. It's still not as like.
I wonder
solid
what
as
it's
mine.
missing.
Love.
You're right, I'm a cold-hearted bitch.
Here, let me shot of this slime that Dan made. Consistency, not too shabby. Not too bad.
It's just missing the playability test.
Yeah.
Mine's
Can't play
recreatable though.
So is mine, bud. You tried to recreate it.
You
That's
know,
where you went.
Yeah,
wrong.
you're right. It's my fault. I take full responsibility. Okay.
I like to call it Mars nut. That's what this is. And yes, it is edible. People at home.